So hi guys, after a long time I'm here in Bahrain. So I came for some white-throated robins, but I was not able to find it. But in the other way around, what I found is the Grey Francolins. They are pretty common here. They're not found in eastern region of Saudi Arabia. So I was lucky enough to get a good close-ups and videos footage of the Grey Francolins. I like them a lot, and basically they are called in our Desi word as teeter and partridges basically. So I found them and made a good video of it. They were very close by and they were not shy. Grey Francolins in Bahrain, people don't hunt them, and they are seen roaming around the houses and wherever there are green patches and all that stuff. So it's always a good thing to find them, that nobody shoots them over here and hunts them to eat them. Especially in Asia, they are frequently hunted for their food, meat, which is very delicious. I've not tried that, so I came here. This is a barren land, and here somewhere is a white-throated robin, and unluckily I have not been able to find it. So I thought to make a small vlog about it, and here is the place, the first place where I found nightjar. This is the same place where I found the nightjar for the very first time in Bahrain, and one friend of mine told me that there is a robin here. So unlucky today that I was not able to find it. This is afternoon, like 1 hour away from iftar, and I'm here. Probably it is found in the morning, so I'll try my luck again whenever I get the time. So it was nice that I found something that is like Grey Francolin. I have shot it before as well with a nice good close-ups, but this time I was able to make a good video footage of two of them. They were feeding. I took some shots, then they sneaked away. So it's nice here. I tried to dress up like green so that I can camouflage in some of the trees and this local environment, so that I can get the robin. But no worries, next time it's all about luck. Birding is all about luck. So I hope that I can find it. I have been finding it since 2 years and I'm unlucky up till now. So hope for the best. This is birding, so this is how you do birds photography. Sometimes you're lucky, sometimes you're not lucky, and hopefully next time. So hope you like the video of the partridge, Grey Francolin, and the pictures. Meanwhile, I was just still stopped here for searching for the white-throated robin. I found a rufous tail drop, and that is singing. I hope you can hear it or not. Just beside me, came in this tree, and it is singing. So I am taking some shots. You can hear the partridges. They are around, and you can see I hear the sound. So I stopped by to see that maybe I get lucky enough, get some robins, but no, I got a rufous-tailed robin. That is another species, and that was basically singing. So first I thought it's a white-throated robin, but no, this is rufous-tailed robin, and I have shot it multiple times in Saudi Arabia. And I believe this would be my first time in Bahrain, so I will put it on eBird. And after that, let's see, I heard a lapwing as well here, and some white throats. I saw a white throat, I guess, also. Apart from that, common birds are there. So I am planning to now go back. It's like for 30 minutes left for iftar, and I've not eaten anything since morning, since 4 a.m. Oh, I see a crow. There is a crow fighting with a lapwing. That is very common in Pakistan. We have seen that. And the parakeets are roaming by. So I changed my position because the robin is still singing in that tree, rufous-tailed robin. The shots are not very good because there is a sky behind me, but I'll try to get as much as I can. Got the shots, and now the time for the rufous-tailed robin has started. So that was unexpected. I came for another robin and another species over here. I believe you can still hear them singing behind me. Feedback. So I'm going back and to eat something. And I was just watching the lapwing and the crow fighting. Then I said, okay, let's leave. It's almost time. So